Hi. Tickets are a great way to provide support to your customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and manage tickets in Agile. So I'm on the ticket page under the CRM tickets, and we have this option create ticket. So there are multiple ways to create a ticket. Your clients can create a ticket from the client portal and request support from you. You can create a form, and when the form is submitted, tickets can be created, and we have separate videos on that. And you can create tickets manually by yourself, and this is how you do it. So you will click on the create ticket button. From here, we will add. You can add. From here, you can add ticket subject. Let's say logo is smaller, and in the ticket description we can add ticket description. Let's say we can also use Agile AI to write the ticket description, or you can write the ticket description yourself. You can add is select the requester name, this the client for which this ticket is, and let's say this is for quite, and I can select a support agent for this ticket. If I have added them in my ticket settings, I can select the project for the ticket, and then I can choose the ticket type. This is a problem, and I can add new ticket types as well. I can select the priority of this ticket. Let's say this is a medium priority, and I can select a channel for this ticket. Now, if I want to organize my tickets in different tags or lists, I can do that as well, and is add the tags here. And if I do not have any tags, I can add a new one. Let's say logo issues. If there are any files related to this ticket, I can add them here. And once I've added all the details, I can submit this ticket. There are several options: submit open, pending, resolved, or close. So let's say I want to submit it open, and the ticket has now been created, and you can see all the details on this screen. We have reply option, we have files option, where we can see all the files uploaded in this ticket, and we can edit this ticket if we want. And if I want to reply to this ticket, I will come to this reply section and write the reply. Or I can choose from one of the saved reply templates as well. So we have this reply template option. I will click on this arrow, and all the saved replies or reply template will populate here, and I can select one of the options, and you can see that the reply template is applied. And then if the issue is resolved, I can submit it resolved or closed. Or if it is ongoing, or it is an ongoing problem, I can submit it open or pending. And if I want to attach any files to my replies, I can do that here. So let's submit it closed. So this is how you create a ticket in Agile. And if you want to manage your tickets, you can come to the ticket screen, and as you can see, we have different options here in the actions. You can delete them. You can view these tickets, and you can edit these tickets. And if you want to perform bulk actions on these tickets, you can select multiple tickets at once like this, and come to this arrow and click on bulk delete option if you want to delete multiple tickets at a time. This is how you create and manage tickets in Agile. Thank you so much.